Welcome to the new IMAPS Academy platform, now through Path LMS. We are really excited to showcase this new and improved platform for you all and wanted to get our members and community a walkthrough of what the site has to offer. First, search up www.pathlms.com/IMAPS. That will get you to the homepage where we can check out all the courses. IMAPS Academy offers flexible learning experiences that support both technical growth and career development. While IMAPS also offers in-person professional development courses, like at our IMAPS Symposium and Device Packaging Conferences, our online courses provide the flexibility to learn anywhere at any time. Led by experienced instructors from leading companies across the microelectronics industry, the courses bring valuable real-world knowledge and practical expertise directly to you. Let's dive in. You'll want to make sure that you're logged into Path through your IMAPS login. If you are an existing IMAPS Academy user, that is going to give you access to your courses that you previously purchased. In the Activity section, you can see all your purchased courses as well as progress for each course. This section discusses the course design and format, as well as pricing. Both IMAPS members and student members get significantly reduced rates for courses. Let's take a look at the course catalog. IMAPS offers a variety of courses ranging from introductory to advanced, with special topics training as well. So there is something for any level of user to learn. Scrolling down, as you can see, you can filter by free, purchased, and not purchased. And then to the left, you can filter by topic. Let's check out a course. Here's our newest course, Semiconductor Package Design and Assembly, A Brief History, taught by Tom Dory. You will go ahead and hit the purchase button, which will take you to the IMAPS website, where members and students should log in to get their discount. Once purchased, you can go ahead and click Synchronize on the IMAPS Academy website course, and then begin your course. Thanks so much for following along through this walkthrough. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns with your courses, reach out to ivolpe@imaps.org. Thanks.